Hey, what's going on, everyone? I thought I'd make a really quick video. This is hopefully just going to be a couple minutes, not going to babble on for too long, about the Ronin Factory Antenna on a 2019 Ford Raptor. Highly recommend this antenna from the perspective of visual aesthetics on the outside. The factory antenna actually is as high as the cab, and then drive down the highway, it's the regular F-150 antenna. If you've driven an F-150, you'll know it just kind of like flails around in the wind all the time when you're driving down the highway. So this antenna, I think, really adds a nice aggressive look to the Ford Raptor. As you can see from a distance, you can barely even tell it's there, and it's really easy to install. Just screw out the old one, screw in the new one. It doesn't affect the satellite radio reception, because as you can see on the roof right there, that is actually your antenna for satellite radio. Now, I will say that there has been a small degradation in the FM radio reception capability. Not too much, but definitely you'll notice a small quality. I wouldn't even say quality, but the range, if you're trying to pick up networks from further away from you, then you're going to experience probably some difficulty. You can see right there from the inside how it looks. You really can't even see it past the inspection sticker. But yeah, so thought I'd make a quick little video just to kind of give people a little view of what it looks like on a Ford Raptor. If you're considering it, I paid 30 bucks for it. It's a Ronin Factory Antenna. Really high quality. It's durable. It doesn't have any play to it. Doesn't have any bend. It doesn't, it's very sturdy. So yeah, I think they should have come with this Raptor standard equipment, but nobody really puts a short antenna on their trucks from the factory. So it's a really nice, cool aftermarket upgrade. Appreciate you guys tuning into this video. If you have any other questions or want any reviews on anything specific to the Raptor, just let me know. Any questions, just leave a comment below, and I promise I will answer them to the best of my abilities. Thank you very much. Bye.